Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Hills double folding frame clothesline. Now this line suits 2 to 4 people. It has 11 lines and 23 metres of hanging space. Each line is 100 millimetres apart. The clothesline is 2.2 metres wide, which is left to right, making it suitable for a double sheet. It has a depth of the outer frame of 1.2 metres. It is made of a sturdy, strong metal construction, which is powder coated, and it's available in several different colours. The wall brackets are also metal, and it comes with UV resistant corners. The clothesline can be ground mounted. In this installation, we're showing a wall mount installation, can also be ground mounted. The lines do fold independently of each other. So what I'm going to do is show you how that works. We can open the outer line and just lower it, and utilise the inner line, which is ideal if you've got narrow walkways or you're short on space or you're even doing a small wash. The clothesline also has an easy tensioning system with the cord. It comes with a full 10-year manufacturer warranty and is quite easy to assemble. It's a very versatile clothesline, a very popular clothesline. So I hope this has helped you understand the benefits of the Hills double folding frame clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.